Welcome back to David and HD, everybody. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. So, today was the official release date of the power brokers. If you don't know what the power brokers are or are unaware of, the basically the power brokers and the direct connection catalog, it's basically all the parts and everything that Dodge is releasing that's on the direct connection catalog. The power brokers are the specific list of dealerships that are going to be certified, trained, and able to install these kits. So that way it keeps your warranty on your Hellcat or your Scat Pack, 392s, all that stuff. So those are the certified dealerships that will be able to install those parts for you and keep your warranty. So today was the official date. So with that being said, I went on dcperformance.com, which stands for Direct Connection Performance.com. And it's actually the site where you're going to go ahead and you can go in there and order the parts yourself. You can also go to the dealership and order the parts. I'm going to have during this video, I'm going to go ahead and post all the dealerships so you guys can take a look and see if any of them are in your location. It hasn't been said if they're going to add any more participating dealerships. So as of right now, these are the ones that are going to be certified and trained through Dodge. So crazy thing is, today was my appointment to go back. If you didn't watch my previous videos, today was my appointment to go take the enhanced security mode off my vehicle because there was a recall for it. They had to update my PCM, put valet mode back on. And then I got the RF, car lockdown hub, which basically locks the key to the vehicle, to the RC hub. And now it can't be duplicated by thieves or even by the dealership. So if I lose all three keys for some strange reason, I have to get a whole new hub. So I'll leave that for another video. So if you want more information, watch some of my previous ones on that security update. But so with the direct connection, so I was at the dealership today, and I actually, one of the dealerships that was selected happens to be the one where I got my Hellcat. And that one's about 10 miles away from my house, Tacoma Dodge. So I was extremely excited that they were one of the dealerships selected out of two in the state of Washington. So the other one is in, I want to say it's called Vancouver, Washington, which is another couple hours, maybe two hours away from where I live. So this is great that this is only like a 20-minute drive, if that, to the dealership. So I went in there and I talked to some of the guys that they had, because they actually posted it on their website who would be responsible for ordering off the catalog, some of the techs, and then the service manager for the program itself. And funny thing is, so I went in there and talked to them. And they knew that they were going to be selected, but some of them didn't know of their exact role till today. So it was a surprise to them that, hey, you're going to be in charge of service and you're going to be in charge of catalog, so on and so forth. But I did talk to a gentleman there, and right now, so the news is, right now, it is not ready to go. So Dodge doesn't have the kits. So if you looked at the Hellcat stages, the pre-staging, stage 1, stage 2 for the Hellcat and for the Red Eye, those kits are not ready because they are not 50 state carb legal. So of course, the dragging state, California, is presumed to be the state. We're still waiting for they're still waiting for the carb certification, so that way they can roll this out through all the states. So I did talk to the techs at the dealership, and I asked them, the process. So I can order it myself, or I can go to the dealership and they can order it. You can ship it to your house, or you can ship it to the dealership, however you want. You can order the parts yourself and install it yourself. It just won't have that warranty. And then they did mention that once the website will get updated and it should include prices. So all the prices across all the dealerships is going to be standardized. So there's going to be you know, hey, you want the stage 2 kit with the pulley and this and that. This is how much it's going to cost. And it should be like that way across the board. It shouldn't be dealership X charging this, dealership Y charging this. So it should be the same across the board. So I talked to the gentleman at the dealership today, and they're not ready to go. They still have to get training. They still have to do all this stuff. And I talked to a buddy of mine that actually ordered some stuff off the website. So the website actually went live last night. And they ordered something off the website. And they ordered the pre-staging with the stage, I want to say it was the stage 1 kit. Okay. And everything went through, good confirmation, good so on and so forth. And then today they got a notice saying that their order has been rejected, and that they will be refunded within 3 to 5 business days, so on and so forth, back to their card. And then they try to get a hold of them, and I found some more information on the forum. But basically, this is like the general. So right now, the problem is that all the kits, they're available, but they're not certified. The reason is they're still pending the 50 state EO certification approval from CARB. Once it's approved, it'll be available. There's no timing yet on the communication. So I talked to some of the people at the dealership as well on this, and the consensus is this is going to be ready to roll out June 1st. So officially, even though the site is live, nobody's going to be able to do anything right now until they get certified. And who knows how long that certification takes. I don't know if Dodge thought or Stellantis thought, hey, we can get this pushed right away, or this is not a big deal, and it got delayed. I have no idea. This sucks because obviously they do sell, you can buy parts right now that'll say, you know, this many states it's legal, and then you can't use it in California. You know, it would have been good to, hey, all these states, California, get up on it or hurry up. And then when you figure it out, then you'll be certified. But everybody else is basically having to suffer because of this CARB regulation. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Like I said, I'm going to also put it in the video, the locations of all the dealerships that have been approved to be power brokers. And maybe you can contact your dealership and you know, get on board. I didn't want to feel like getting on a waiting list for any parts or any of that stuff, because I think in my location a lot of people are they're kind of lagging on that kind of stuff. So there's really nobody even inquiring about it. So I think I was one of the first people to talk to the dealership about it today, and that's just because I happen to be there. So that's where that is. So I'm really looking forward to freaking finding out about this power broker stuff, and because I want to see what the ending of the catalog looks like, because right now they only have stuff for the red eye as far as the staging kits. They don't have stuff for the regular Hellcat, so their website's not updated as well. And I have a link to the website in the description. But that's not updated as well. So they got a lot of work to do. Like I said, it was supposed to be released today. Everything go live today, and they're fell behind the power curve on that. So, if you guys got any questions, shoot me a comment. You know, like, share, comment on the videos. I respond to basically everybody. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys are gonna get the power brokers, or the staging kits. I know because you're getting it at a dealership, they're going to be expensive. Probably labor is going to be expensive. But for me, if I have an opportunity to get a power upgrade for now and keep my warranty for at least the next 3 years, that's something I'm going to look into. You know, just paying a couple extra bucks. So for something that, hey, it's under warranty, I can go do whatever and then come back. Hey, it's broke, it's under warranty, and I can get it fixed. So that's something that I'm looking into. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys are waiting for the power brokers, if you guys have contacted your dealerships, if one of your dealerships are on the list, Let me know in the comments below. So with that being said, stay tuned, stay safe, stay blessed.